In the world of creative entrepreneurship, wooden art projects stand out as a unique avenue for generating income. The versatility of wood allows artisans to explore a wide range of designs and styles, appealing to various customer preferences. This adaptability serves as a foundation for building a successful business, where the blend of creativity and craftsmanship can lead to substantial profits. One of the most appealing aspects of working with wood is its tactile nature. Unlike other materials, wood offers a warmth and organic quality that resonates with consumers. This connection encourages people to seek out wooden art for their homes, offices, or as gift for loved ones. Understanding the emotional value associated with handcrafted wooden items can help artisans tap into market trends, positioning their creations as desirable commodities. Moreover, the growing interest in sustainable and eco-friendly products has propelled wooden art into the spotlight. As more consumers prioritize environmentally conscious choices, artisans who source their materials sustainably can carve out a niche in this expanding market. Promoting the use of reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood not only enhances the appeal of the products, but also aligns with modern consumer values, making them more marketable. Additionally, wooden art projects often allow for low startup costs, making it accessible for budding entrepreneurs. Basic tools and materials can be acquired without a significant financial investment, enabling individuals to start small and gradually scale their operations. This approach encourages experimentation and innovation, leading to the development of unique styles that differentiate artisans in a competitive market. Effective marketing strategies can further amplify the potential for profit. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase the creative process and finished products can build a loyal following. Engaging content, such as behind-the-scenes videos or tutorials, can attract attention and foster a community around the craft. By sharing the story behind each piece, artisans can create a connection with potential buyers, enhancing the perceived value of their work. Furthermore, participating in local craft fairs and markets provides an excellent opportunity for artisans to showcase their creations directly to consumers. These events not only facilitate immediate sales, but also establish valuable connections within the local community. Networking with other artisans can lead to collaborations and joint ventures, further expanding visibility and customer reach. Online marketplaces also play a crucial role in the success of wooden art projects. Platforms dedicated to handmade goods allow artisans to reach a global audience, significantly increasing their sales potential. Developing an engaging online presence, complete with high-quality photos and detailed descriptions, is essential for attracting customers in a crowded digital marketplace. Understanding target demographics is another vital component of running a profitable wooden art business. Artisans must identify who their ideal customers are, whether they are homeowners, gift shoppers, or corporate clients. Tailoring products and marketing efforts to meet the specific needs and preferences of these groups can lead to higher conversion rates and repeat purchases. This adaptability ensures a resilient business model capable of weathering. Investing time in honing woodworking skills is equally important. Continuous learning through workshops, online courses, or mentorship can lead to improved craftsmanship and innovation. Staying updated on industry trends and techniques can inspire new ideas that resonate with consumers. Another strategy for boosting profits is to incorporate customization options into wooden art projects. Personalized items tend to command higher prices as they hold sentimental value for customers. Offering engraving or bespoke designs can create a unique selling proposition, setting an artisan apart from competitors and enhancing customer loyalty. Furthermore, collaborating with local businesses can open new avenues for sales. Establishing partnerships with interior designers, gift shops, or even cafes can provide additional exposure and create a mutually beneficial relationship. These partnerships can lead to increased visibility and opportunities for cross-promotion, ultimately driving more sales. As the business grows, artisans should consider scaling their operations. This could involve hiring additional help, investing in more advanced tools, or expanding into new markets. Strategic planning is essential to ensure that growth is sustainable, allowing artisans to maintain quality while increasing output. The potential for profit in wooden art projects is vast, driven by the unique blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and market demand. By leveraging sustainable practices, effective marketing strategies, and continuous learning, artisans can build a thriving business that not only generates income, but also brings joy to customers. The journey of crafting cash through wooden art is both rewarding and fulfilling, offering endless possibilities for those willing to invest their time and passion. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Your support means a lot to us. And if you enjoyed the content, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Liking the video helps us reach a wider audience and encourages us to create even more engaging content in the future. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family who might also find it interesting. Your shares help us grow our community and spread the message further. Lastly, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting videos and updates. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content, so you won't miss out on anything. Thank you once again for your support, and we look forward to bringing you more great videos soon.